So we finished the last video. We were looking at Tony's Pizza, and we said if the price was $45, we would sell one pizza and our revenues would be $45. If we lowered the price to $40, our revenues would be $80. We'd have an increase in revenue, and demand was elastic. Why is that the case? Well, we have two different effects going on here. We have the price effect and the quantity effect. So the price effect is going to be this blue area, or the red area in the old graph. The quantity effect is going to be this yellow area. When demand is elastic, the quantity effect is going to be larger than the price effect. And if demand is inelastic, that means that the price effect is going to be larger than the quantity effect. So if your price effect is larger, you'll want to increase price to increase your revenues. And if your quantity effect is larger, you'll want to decrease price to increase your revenues. Okay, so let's make another example. Same thing, Tony's Pizza. Tony is selling pizza for $15 this time instead of $45. What happens if you raises the price of pizza to $20? Right, so here we have at $15, we're going to sell 7 pizzas. We can also see that over here on our demand schedule. Our revenue is going to be $105. If we raise the price to $20, they should say raise the price to $20, we're going to sell 6 pizzas, and our revenue is going to be $120. Okay, so we've increased our revenues. We can see our price effect is this blue, and our quantity effect is this yellow, and our price effect is larger than our quantity effect. That means when we raise the price, we are increasing revenues. So even though the slope of this demand curve does not change, the elasticity of demand is not constant on our demand curve. When we went from red to purple, we were elastic. When we went from yellow to blue, we were inelastic. Okay, so our pizza market has inelastic, elastic, and unit elastic sections. Anywhere in this green is going to be elastic. Okay, so if we calculated the elasticity anywhere up here, the absolute value of this elasticity is going to be greater than 1. If we calculate the elasticity here, this would be unit elastic. And if we calculate the elasticity down here, we would be inelastic. So anytime you're elastic, if you lower price, you're going to increase revenue. Anytime your demand curve is inelastic, if you raise price, you're going to increase your revenue. And if you're unit elastic, you're at the revenue maximizing position already. Okay? All right. So when demand is elastic, you should lower prices to increase revenue. When demand is inelastic, you want to raise prices to increase revenue. And when demand is uninelastic, that means your price is already optimal. You are maximizing revenue, the price that you've